it's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So I have my Boxycharm by IPSY box for the month of September 2023. So we're going to get right into this box here. This is a monthly box. It costs $28 a month. You get 5 full-size products in it, and the value can be up to $200 based on what brand they have on there. You do get to pick one item in your box. So one of these items I did pick, but we're going to get right into this thing and see what's in this month's box. So guys, we do get our little newspaper with Boxycharm on it. It tells you about products that you could have got on this side, and then different little events or sales going on. Same thing on the back. Nothing too texting, but yeah, that's what's in here. So guys, let's grab the first item out my box. So the first item I have the Inky List. This is the Selfless brand by Harem. I guess this is like a line in their brand. Harem is a YouTuber, if I remember correctly. I haven't seen him on my YouTube feed in a while, though. I don't know if he's still making videos, but I know exactly who he is. He likes clean beauty products. So this is the Mandelic Acid and Rice brand. This is an exfoliator from what I understand, and according to my phone, this product costs $20.50, and it says this is a gentle serum that exfoliates and polishes your skin but doesn't overdo it. So I think that's great. Let's see what it looks like outside of the packaging. Ooh, throwing it out. So this is what it looks like outside of the box here, and we get, how many ounces is this? This is 1 fluid ounce of this exfoliator here, and it says every product purchased provides someone with years of clean drinking water. So I guess that's their initiative with this particular line. So this is Selfless by Harem. I've never used any of the products by this Selfless by Harem before, so this will be fun to try out. I think you do use this product at nighttime from what I'm reading here. So this is something you would exfoliate, I think, a couple of times a week with this at night. We're going into the fall. I think this is going to be a great product to try out, kind of get all that dead, dry skin off your face. So can't wait to use this one. So let's go on to our next product, guys. So guys, the next product I'm pulling out, we have a Tarte product. This is a makeup product, and this is the Maracaju Juicy Blush by Tarte. I have the color Orchid, and this is a blush. This is a cream blush. I actually love cream blushes. I can't wait to see what color this is. So this is the color here, and again, this is Orchid. This product is valued, guys, at $30. Ooh. I'm going to take a swatch to see if we can, and this is how it kind of looks. So you can kind of build this product up as far as I can see, like, and that's kind of what it looks like on me. I think that'll be nice. You just kind of got to work it in and blend it out really good with your brush, but this should be fun. It says the pink orange blush will give your skin a hydration boost while delivering a perfect healthy flush with its ultra creamy, buildable and blendable formula, and it glides on like silk. I do agree, and I think this is something you can easily just blend out very nicely and have a nice look on your face for blush and look pretty natural. So that's the color Orchid. So let's see what else is in here. So guys, the next product I'm pulling out, we have a Coco Kind product. I have not heard of this brand. This is the first time I'm seeing it. So we have a Resurrection Polypeptide Cream. This is valued at $27, and I'm going to pull it out so we can take a look at it. And this is a full-size product. We have 1.7 fluid ounces, and it says that this is a cream that gives your skin new life. It moisturizes and restores moisture levels and give you a healthy dose of plumpness. So that'll be nice in time for the fall. And it says whether you have dry skin or just need a boost of hydration, this cream will help you achieve a beautifully hydrated, youthful looking complexion. So I don't think this yeah, it has a safety seal, so I'm not going to bother to pop it, so we can keep the life of the cream going for a while before I actually open it to use it. But I've never tried this. If you guys have tried this out, let me know what you think of this. But this will be interesting to try for the fall. I'm looking forward to trying it out. So let's go on to our next product. So guys, the next product I have is a Nip and Fab product. I remember trying something else of theirs, but I do not remember what it was, and it's been quite a while ago. This product here we have is a hyaluronic extreme concentrated cream is what they have here, and it says this is valued at $24. This serum is supposed to supercharge your skin. It's a very concentrated serum is what they have here, and it's packed with a lot of high and low weight hyaluronic acid. So it's going to hydrate the surface but also go deep down into your skin. So it should be a lot more effective, I'm assuming, based on that. Let's take it out of here. And again, this product is valued at $24 for this concentrated serum. And this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. And like I said, I've tried one of their products once before, but it's been a long time and I don't remember what I thought about the brand. So this will kind of be getting me refamiliar with the brand all over again. So that is what our fourth item is. So let's go to the next one. So guys, the last item out of my box is the Luna Magic product here. This is valued at $30. And this is a Soft Perfection foundation. So I have the color Deep. I did select this product for the month. And again, this is $30. It is a powder foundation. And look at the packaging on the outside. This is nice. So pretty. So pretty. Love, love, love the outer packaging. Beautiful. Let's pop her open. So guys, this is the color Deep of my foundation. There's a mirror. I'm just covering it up with my hand so I don't blind anybody. Again, this is supposed to be a talc-free formula, as well as it's supposed to give you like a very blurring effect with your complexion and cover up the fine lines. So this is the color here. I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand, and I don't know, it seems a little light to me, but I don't know. I think it may be fine after you put your setting spray on it, but you know, it's always kind of hard to match up like these daggone complexions because your face is just not one color. So it's like you always get stuff and it's like, let me try this one out and see if this works. But it does kind of look blurry looking on the back of my hand. So I'll give it a whirl, see how it works out. But again, this is valued at $30, and it's like a blurring powder foundation that goes on very lightweight is what they're saying, valued at $30. So guys, that was the last item and my Boxycharm for the month. So guys, in review, I thought this month's box was okay. It didn't blow me out of the water, okay? I have 2 makeup products, so more skincare heavy. I have 3 skincare products. And it's okay. I mean, it's nothing major blowing me out the water with this box. I would love to know if you guys did better than me with the products this month. Like, if you got something good in yours, let me know. But I just thought it was okay. It was okay. Nothing exciting. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing if you have not already. I do post weekly, and I do love subscription boxes and showing you guys what I'm picking up, what's coming in my monthly boxes, so you get a real perspective of what to expect with your subscription. Or if you already have one and you're just newsy like me and you want to see if somebody else got better stuff than you, go right ahead and sign up to this channel. I love sharing what I get with you guys. That's the best part about being on YouTube. We kind of have a sharing community. So if that's something you're interested in and you enjoy subscription boxes, go ahead, click that subscribe button, tap the notification bell. It will let you know when I next post. But until my next video, guys, bye-bye.